name is Sophie.
My name is Daphne.
And welcome to Cherry Pop Productions. That's kissing, not popping. Today in this video, I'm gonna show Daphne how to make slime because she never made slime before. So I'm gonna help her. Are you ready, Daphne?
Yeah.
Daphne.
Don't say that.
JK. First, I need a big bowl.
Like so big.
And I'm gonna make clear Christmas slime. So I'm gonna put the glue in the bowl. Okay, that's how you make slime. Do you ever make slime?
Nope.
That's enough. Okay. Okay, this is my glue. Okay,
Pick the color. Pick the color.
here's the glue. And I'm gonna make blue.
Okay.
I'm gonna make it dark blue, so I'm gonna put a lot of blue.
Okay.
Now it's time to stir it. Okay. Now I'm gonna put the activator. Okay. Wait, spoon. Okay, I'm gonna put a bit of activator. Oh, okay, that's enough. And glitter. Okay, here we have a box of lots of glitters.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna choose. Oh, okay, the silver one will do. And sprinkle the glitter, which is the fun part.
Ooh, that's too much something.
No, I want a lot. Okay, there. Okay, now we're going to mix it. It's really satisfying. It's beautiful. Look at this, guys. It's really magical.
Very super magical.
So magical. Okay, let's keep
Now-
stirring it. I'm gonna need a little bit more activator.
Little.
Okay, now one more.
It's kissy over here, so yeah, just stir it.
Okay, now I'm going to put these snowflakes
It's
decoration.
what?
Oh, here. Okay, we have to
Okay,
open
right
right here. Okay, you help me open this while I'll stir this. Oh, okay. Okay, now let's mix it. Oh, whoa.
It's
So beautiful.
never.
I'm glad I have this idea. It's really beautiful.
I guess that's good. Sophie just wants Sophie.
Oh. Why do I keep...
It's okay. It's kind of sticky.
Of course it's sticky. Ugh. There. Yeah. Oh, there's a snowflake stuck in here. Ooh. Whoa. Look at this. Whoa. Wow.
Okay, now you can off your slime.
Oh, it's still sticky. I have to
But
stir it so long. It's painful. My arms are painful. You want to stir it? Okay. Okay, let's stir it slowly.
Okay, I have to stand up.
I'm gonna put more glitter. I'm going to put more glitter. Ooh. So magical. It looks like blue boogers.
No, don't say that.
Okay, slime is done. Now time to knead it. Oh my gosh, I can feel the snowflake. It's a little bit painful. Ow.
Should I help you? Should I help you?
Okay, here.
Somebody the table sticky.
Oh, okay, give me activator. Ooh.
Look at the rest of the slime.
Wow. 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 Now I'm gonna show the moment we're all been waiting for. Hallelujah. Oh, there's holes. Okay, now my slime is done. It's clear now. The moment that you've all been waiting for. Ta-da! It's so clear. Oh no, there's holes. Ah, you ruined it. It's still a little bit sticky. And it's so satisfying, but the snowflakes are kind of painful. Here's the snowflake.
Yeah, I can see that.
It's in this slime. They're kind of painful.
They're kind of painful to me.
Yeah, so don't use this kind of glitter when you're making slime. Don't use this kind of glitter. I'd rather make empty slime. No, there's no decorations. It's just plain. I like it.
Are you sure?
Yes. Okay, what glue you want to choose? White glue or clear?
I'm gonna pick white glue.
Okay. There we go. White glue. Let's pour the white glue. Okay, not too. What color you want your slime to be?
Pink.
Pink. Okay. If you light pink or dark pink? Light pink, 3 drops.
Okay.
Dark pink, 8 drops.
Okay.
Here, stir it. Wait, do you want glitter? Okay. What glitter you want? There is Christmas theme, snowflakes, pink, purple. Oh, it got stuck. Oh, whoa. Green. Oh, you want pink?
Yeah.
Are you sure you don't want the silver? No.
Again.
You want the silver?
Again.
Okay. Pink. Since you also want pink, here you can add pink too.
Okay.
Oh, whoa. I almost dropped this. Okay, okay, put it slowly because it's in a packet, not in a jar. Oh, okay, I'll put it low. Okay, you'll say stop.
Okay.
Okay, now stir it. It looks too light pink.
I like it.
Okay, I'm gonna put activator. Okay. If you don't know how to stir, just ask me. Okay. Oh, it looks like ice cream.
Yeah.
Eat it. Okay. Ooh, that's too much.
Okay, cool.
Wow, Barbie pink.
I like this
Barbie
pink
pink.
more than why you mix it up?
Looks like skin.
No, it's not. I like this colorway.
Wow, wait. And ta-da! Here's Daphne's slime. It looks like a dragon. It turns out like a dragon fruit. It looks like a dragon fruit. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm glad you like it. Here's a close-up of Daphne's slime. And here's my slime. It's beautiful blue. Wow. Okay, well that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video.
Give it thumbs up.
Give it thumbs up. No. Give us a big. You said give us a big thumbs up. Okay.
Give us a big thumbs up.
If you like this video. And subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed it yet. Click the subscribe button below and turn on the bell and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any awesome videos like this video.
Bye.
Wait, bye only. Wait. And Thanks for watching. Bye. Okay, and then we pop at the same time like this. Okay. No. 1, 2, 3. Jinx. Okay, bye. Okay, you can play with me.